But they came back inside, yes,
No,
have they came back inside already, or are they still outside? Silence.
Connor, shut up. Jason is legit snoring. Jason is legit.
What am I missing?
Jason. Come on. Dude, Connor, Jason is legit snoring. Like, super loud. Dude, Jason was just going. And I was dying. God damn it. Fucking load.